wonderful.
Okay, this week's been absolutely amazing.
It was very inspirational and it really helped me to improve my English skills.
It was incredible. I was in a filmmaking group and we made an amazing film.
So the week was incredible. I had so much fun and I learned so much. We practiced a lot. I was in the music chorus and we practiced a lot of songs. We sang a lot of songs and we played some really funny games and I just enjoyed it.
And it's not like your normal school day, it's a whole new experience.
The teachers have a different approach. They are not school teachers.
Very nice combination of speaking English and be self-confident.
He showed us many new things and how you can just be confident. I liked it like that all the people that went to theater, we're like one theater family now because of the activities we all did together, and like we're all so confident in talking.
Yeah, that's her. She's even more.
Yeah, the script making, the story writing was also pretty amazing.
They're English native speakers, they come from different countries and they have a different perspective to get closer and to open up the students' minds.
I gained so much confidence during this week, not only in speaking English, but also to sing in front of a crowd.
And you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down and then you pulled the rug. I was getting kinda used to being someone you love.
I definitely feel more confident speaking English right now.
I think you got this routine because we spoke English every day, and that really helps you to push your confidence.
May wants to improve quality of life and mental health. That's why we're here today, and that's what we're fighting for.
Well, I feel wonderful.
I feel free and confident to speak more the language, and yes.
I guess it was better than I expected because I expected a lot, but it topped my expectations.
I think I'm more confident on stage now.
So I'd really recommend this to other kids in schools.
Just
Join.
Just do it. Yes.
Just do it.
It's worth it. It's definitely worth it.
It is really richer in the output than our English lessons. Yes, it is. It is a great addition.
It was so much fun. It was so, I met so many new people, so many new friends.
How many English lessons in the lifetime of a student can be called like that? Something to remember.
It was kind of an amazing experience to speak with native speakers, and I would do it again.
Yes, do it!
Yeah, they can really make a level up. So literally, that's the idea, and it's working out well.